Going to be a reading for the sign of Aries. Okay, um, so let's start. I hope you guys are doing well. So this is going to be for the last part of October, moving ahead in this month. First card we have for you is Ten of Cups. I see a lot of happiness coming your way. Okay, if things have been very stagnant in your life, I see you getting that mojo back. I see you like finally trusting your future and having that faith that things are going to work for you. Okay, so that's something I see for now. So let's start. What can Aries expect in their soulmate connection moving forward in the next 10 days? So let's see one card for what's really happening in your connection currently, or what's happening with you currently. One card for that, please. Okay, right now with Three of Wands, you guys have your focus somewhere. Okay, you guys are very much looking into your future, what's coming next for you. You guys could have worked really hard and you guys are waiting for a response, or you guys are waiting for a call. This could be also about a job opportunity that you guys have enrolled somewhere and you're waiting for the person to call, the company to call. This could also be regarding education, where you are wanting to possibly move somewhere and you're waiting for the call or the email or the message. Okay, overall with the Justice card, I do feel like right now you're more focused on balancing your life. I don't see you majorly focused on relationships as whole. You're more focused on making your life better. Okay, you're very focused on your future is what I feel. Okay, give me one more card as to what's happening in Aries soulmate connection. What's the current scenario like Aries soulmate connection? Okay, right now with Ten of Wands, things have got very heavy in this connection. Maybe you decided to possibly move in a new direction because things got very heavy and things were very painful, things were very draining, things got very chaotic in this connection, and you had to take the burden. I mean, you had to face it. Okay, with Nine of Swords, you are not very happy in this connection. I see you not really knowing where this is going, and it's been burdensome to you. Okay, it's not been a peaceful connection. It's not been something that you were very much looking forward to, and you have no fucking idea where this is going. Okay, so that's something I see for now. Okay, one more card. How does your soulmate see you? The person you are connecting with, how do they see you? One card for how do they view you, or how do they see you now? Okay, one card we have is Princess of Wands. I mean, that is Page of Wands. They still look at you as someone who is willing to talk to them, who is still willing to open up to them, who is still willing to be a part of them. They look at you as someone who's still obsessed with them. We have the Devil card clarifying this. With the Sun card, they know deep down, at least they feel that. I'm not saying that you are doing it. They feel that you are still into them, okay, and very much obsessed about them. Okay, what are their current feelings towards you? One card for their current feelings towards you. How do they truly feel for you? Okay, current feelings, we have Knight of Cups. Okay, so I do feel like this person has feelings for you. Top card we have is Queen of Wands, but they have been more sexual towards you than emotional. Okay, even though they had this feeling, but in the past I see them with the Knight of Wands energy, where this person was very much not into commitments and wanting to stay and wanting to make promises, wanting to build on those promises, wanting to act on those promises. No, I see them majorly like having very sexual intent towards you. I'm not saying that they are a bad person or they are a player. No, they do have feelings for you. I mean, this is a clarifier. Knight of Cups. Top card we have here is Queen of Wands. So they are very much interested in you, but I do not think like they were very open about emotions. Okay, so one card for what are they willing to offer you now? One card for what are they willing to offer you now? Right now with Ace of Pentacles, I do see them wanting to offer you a fresh new beginning. This is not a promise, but that's what's going on in their mind. They are very much thinking of giving this a new start, a fresh new start. With Four of Swords, right now they could be holding back a bit, like they are taking this time to think about it as to how they are like willing to come forward. But I do feel like many of you guys will get their attention. But as of now, I do not see them being very vocal with you, or being very open with you, or being very communicative with you. Okay, so one card for their intentions towards you now. What are their intentions towards you? Aries soulmate's intentions towards Aries. With 10 of cups, this person wants you. Okay, we had the 10 of cups at the start and I got the 10 of cups again. I feel like this person has that idea of being with you, and they are going to very much put in the effort. Okay, so I do feel this person wants you for a long term. Okay, they do feel that happiness with you, but I don't think that they have ever expressed this to you, but they are very much going to work on it. Yes, right now things could be very burdensome because they haven't been very vocal with you, or they haven't shared their plan with you, or their goal as to what they would want with you. But I do feel from the cards I have now that this person is willing to work on it. They are very much willing to give this a fresh new start. This has been a very positive reading. So was for Libra, to be honest. But yeah, let's see. One card for what can you expect from this person for the next 10 days. Okay, what can you possibly expect from this person for the next 10 days? Okay, with the Moon card, this person is definitely going to hold back what they would want with you, but I definitely see you getting attention. With Emperor card, I still see them holding back. As to at least for the next 10 days, I would say that you can't expect commitment from this person, but I very much feel like this person will want to give you attention, want to communicate, but they will think about it. They are not going to act on it very soon. Okay, I'll be very honest with you. With the Moon card, this person will still keep secrets from you. The secret is that they still want you, they are still willing to build something with you, and they are wanting to build something with you. Okay, so where is this connection possibly going forward for Aries and their soulmate? Where is this connection possibly going forward? With Six of Pentacles, you guys will find that balance again in this connection. Okay, with Seven of Cups, yes, there is going to be some sort of confusion, but I do see it overall going forward. This connection will move forward. Okay, in the positive way, of course, but yes. What's been the main blockage in this connection? What's been the main blockage? What's holding you guys apart? What's the main problem as to why this is all happening? If you could get a card spirit. Okay, we have a card, Strength card. This person has been holding back. They haven't been very vocal, they haven't been very expressive. And with the Magician card, they were not really wanting to open up much. Okay, they had this very player kind of energy. I won't call them a player, to be honest, but they were very much focused on themselves. One, they were holding back. Two, and the third I see is they were more focused on their pentacles and less focused on the relationship and building something. And they were very non-communicative when it comes to their feelings. Okay, so let's take love message from your person. What would your person want to say to you that they haven't said so far? Okay, I drink to numb the pain. So this person could be drinking to possibly go through this mess because they can't deal with it being sober. Okay, the second card we have here is I want to apologize for my actions. Okay, I want to apologize for my action, and I know you're the one, and that scares me. So they know that you are the one for them. Okay, we'll take one last card. And I believe that this person was very focused, like very much focused on their finances. Okay, I see this energy going and saying that they were following their life purpose, whatever they thought was their life purpose. I do not know, you know better. Since I'm talking to a lot of people here, I can't be pinpoint accurate. So take what resonates, leave the rest, and if it has resonated in any which way, be kind enough to consider hitting the like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And if you are on Instagram, come follow me on Aries Vibes Only. I've just started the channel. I'll be posting a lot of memes and small mini reads there. So if you could manage to follow me on Instagram, that would be great. I'd be grateful, and that would be amazing for me personally. So yeah, thank you so much, and see you soon, guys. And all those who want a personal reading with me could reach out on my email, DM on Instagram, or possibly like WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp number is down below. So yeah, thank you so much. Cheers.